Sunshine. Happy Wednesday. The sun is shining so bright. You see? That's the sun. And that's the view of the back in the house. This is my favorite spot in the house, the balcony. This balcony is in the back of the house. See, you can see the sun. The sun is rising so bright to light the day. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's middle of the week. You know, all the God creation, my favorite is the sun. Because I'm amazed. You see, we never touch the sun, we never reach it, but we can feel the heat. How God created all the things in the earth, in the universe. I remember when I was a kid, we taking a bath in the river, and we gonna wash our clothes there also. You know, because of confusing, I'm confused how this water in the river came from. Where did this came from, the water in the river? No, I'm walking so far to find the where the water came from, but I cannot see where the water in the river came from. I cannot see where is the head of the river. I'm walking very far from the place where we taking a bath, but I cannot find the water. Where did the water came from? Because the river won't dry up, and we don't know where the water came from. We cannot explain how God create all the things in the earth, in the universe. We cannot explain it. You see, even but all the God creation, my favorite is the sunrise, the sunset. I'm so happy every time I see the sunrise and the sunset in the afternoon, because I can imagine how God create that one. That's so high. We cannot touch it, we cannot reach it, but you can feel it. You know,